Hi, this is Aaron with SimpleTix.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can replace tickets on an existing order with tickets for a different date. And we'll also modify the order a bit too. All right, so the very first step is to look up the order. You can search by first name or last name or their phone number or their email address. In this case, I will be searching by the order number. So now that I typed it in, I can see the order right here, and I'll go ahead and click it. And I have a bunch of options at this point. I can resend the tickets, I could do a refund, there's a million different options. But what I want to do is I want to replace this ticket for the 5th with the 10th. So I will click on Action, and I'm going to choose the option to add another ticket to this order. The very first thing I'll do is add the new ticket, and then I'll delete the old ticket. That way we know what the existing ticket is. Now, before we add the other ticket, I'll look at what they paid and what ticket level it was. So this was a general admission adult ticket. It's important to remember that because when we get to the next screen, we'll want to match the same ticket type. So I'll click add another ticket here, and I'm going to toggle over here or use the date picker to find the date that I'd like. And here it's July 10th at 10 a.m. Perfect, I'll select that. And it looks like the general admission price is a little bit higher for this date, but I'm gonna go ahead and change it here to be $10. That way it's the exact same that they paid before. And they got one ticket before, so I'll click one right here. I'll click next. Awesome. All right, so that ticket's been added in there. And the service fee, I didn't put in the same amount, but that doesn't matter too much. So what I'll do now is I will remove the 5th. So I'll click here to remove it, and I'll click delete. And now that's been removed. Awesome. And this person used the Square credit card reader on their phone, I guess, but they didn't use the swiper. They manually typed in the credit card number, and that might so I know that because it says Square order here. Now, if you want to replace that with the correct name, I'll show you how to do that. If you go to Action and then click Edit Order, you can type in the correct name here. So let's go with Sarah Sample as a test name here. So Sarah Sample. And the email address, we'll put in test@gmail.com like that. And I'll click save. And now that's set. So when I click it, I'll see the updates I just made. And if I'd like to email Sarah the tickets, I can go to Action and click Send e-tickets and receipt. Click Send, and the email just went out. And obviously that was test information, so anyone in the future could always look up this order and go to Action and click Edit Order to put in the correct details here. And we recommend doing that because that way you have your attendee list and the correct information will be on the attendee list. Now, the original line item that they paid for will be listed here always. That way you always have a record of it. And you can see here, it's kind of grayed out with a line through it, but it says July 5th at 10 a.m. So that way you have some sort of a record that that's what they originally purchased. Down here in the order notes, you'll also see some notes here that me as the username, I added one line item here, and I also removed one line item. So we have a bit of an audit trail here, and I could say, was requested. I'll say change requested by the staff. So you can put it in order notes if you ever like to, like that. And I'll click save, and just save the note as well. So hopefully this video was helpful. You can follow these steps if you ever need to replace tickets within an order for different dates. All right, thank you. Bye now.